Hello, YouTube. Hello. How do people do intros? Okay, now I get why all of the YouTubers have such a terrible time making intros. Hello. I'm starting a YouTube channel. I just wanted to do something different with my life, so here I am, making this impulse video with grainy visuals and probably terrible audio, no lighting. It's a mess, but yay, film school. My roommate and I, old roommate and I, were talking about doing this for a while, and it was just a fun little thing to document all of the crazy stuff that we did living together. Just because we had a lot to say about the world, and we're millennials, so are we millennials? I don't know the distinction. But anyway, we're some very weird, chatty people, so we just wanted to spread that, share that, all of that. But then I moved to a new place in New York City, and decorating my apartment on a budget has been difficult. I was thinking of going thrift shopping for home decor, and since I haven't really seen too many videos of that on YouTube, if there are any good ones, give me recommendations. I just asked for recs, and I haven't even started my YouTube channel yet. Give me a bit. It's going to be a long journey. So I thought maybe documenting this whole transformation of my house thing might be a start, because I've been watching way too much Sorry Girls. I don't know, I've had a history of coming up with cool ideas and then not actually following through on them, not taking that first step, which is so important. I'll wait too long, I'll wait until everything's fallen into place, which is really too slow for how quickly the internet's moving these days. How quickly the world is moving, actually. So, this is the first step. I don't know what I intend to do with this. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but if I do, it'll be funny to look back and be like, look at that. She was sitting in her PJs with just her messy everything and doing the best that she could. So, that's a start. Okay, I think that's it. I have looked in the viewfinder way too much, so stay tuned for more content, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a bunch of different stuff. I definitely want to do some makeup stuff because, as you can tell, I'm very into... I just hit myself in the glasses. Okay, anyway. As you can tell, I'm very into being organized and having my makeup done really well and fashion things. Okay, I'll cut out the sarcasm. But yeah, I am interested in these things. I'm not as good about staying on top of them as I'd like to be, because, I have mad respect for the people on the internet who can, like, keep all of these different crazy compartments together and functioning smoothly, because I clearly cannot. But yeah, I'm excited to do just interesting shit on this channel. Is YouTube censored? Anyway, it's gonna be great, I think, for me. I don't know about you, but right now I'm the only one that knows about this channel, so it's gonna be great, I think. Stay tuned for more weirdness and awkwardness and just me trying to fly the nest on this whole YouTube thing. Ooh, I should probably record this on my phone just so that we have audio. Okay.